Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you crochet long cardigans are versatile garments and some beautiful designs for the long cardigans. As you can see, different designs in different colors, like they are very warmth and can be used in both winter and summer season. And yeah, they are perfect for chilly weather as they provide additional warmth and coverage, like can be worn as a top layer over other garments and make them great for layering and adding texture and interest to the outfits. So yeah, if you really like to do fashion in nowadays in trending days, so I would definitely recommend you for the crochet long cardigans as they are stylish and fashionable and can add an interesting twist to any outfit. You can match it with any light color or dark color, it's all up to you guys, and they are very comfort and like they can provide additional coverage and modesty for those who prefer to dress more conservatively. So if you are really want to buy and invest in something, so I would definitely recommend you to do invest in crochet cardigans, like they are very eco-friendly. Like long cardigans can be a sustainable and eco-friendly clothing option, especially if they are made from natural fibers or upcycled materials. And if you are planning to gift it to someone else, then you can crochet it by yourself and you can gift it to someone else. So you can wear it on long flights or during extended travel, and I would definitely recommend to you. So yeah, if you like the video, subscribe the channel.